Looking for the perfect Mother's Day gift? We're here to inspire you with unique and heartfelt ideas. Stay tuned to discover 3 thoughtful gift ideas that will surely make her day special. First on our list is a family portrait session. Imagine capturing a moment that stands still in time. A professional family portrait does just that. It's more than a gift. It's a timeless keepsake that everyone can cherish. This gift isn't just for her, it's a treasure for the whole family. Next up, consider making a homemade gift. There's an undeniable charm in baking her favorite cookies, penning a heartfelt poem, or crafting handmade jewelry. These are gifts that truly reflect your time, effort, and thoughtfulness. Nothing says "I love you" quite like a gift made from the heart. Last but not least, how about a classy picnic basket filled with gourmet food items? Imagine a beautiful basket filled with artisanal cheeses, cured meats, gourmet crackers, and a bottle of wine. A delightful picnic in the park, enjoying a meal together outdoors, that's a memory she'll cherish. So there you have it. We've journeyed together through cherished portraits, creative home-crafted presents, and delicately prepared gourmet picnic delights. Each element carefully designed to show our appreciation for the incredible women in our lives. Thank you for watching. Make this Mother's Day one she'll never forget.